Well, change of plans. He has decided to put a couple screws in it just between the two boards to kind of help hold it in place a little better. Since that slide out does move and there will be foot traffic up there, it will make it look
my drawers up before
I'm not catching you.
moon everybody.
I'm not catching you. So he's probably going to put about 4 or 6 screws in there. And they're not long screws at all. Probably 1-inch screws.
Yeah, 1 1/4.
And that's just enough to go through both the boards. So that's just going to help hold the glue together. Now he's going to put the carpet down. Before he tacks it, we'll make sure that he kicks it out. See that hump right there? That's from the board, but I'm going to see if he can pull some more of that out before he actually staples it. May not work, but just trying to get it up, make sure it's good and tight. You know, carpet shrinks, so.
It ain't new, so it ain't gonna shrink.
No, well, that's true. He's just going to tack it in there with staples.
That's the way it was.
So, pretty easy to take out if you have to take out the carpet to do any kind of flooring. Just tack it all back down in there. Well, you are down there too. There's a strip over here if you could strip that down too.
What?
Over here. When you tack that.
Be careful. That just goes underneath. There's nothing to tack it to.
No, that right there.
Oh, that?
Yeah, if you just put one in there. Thank you. See, and actually by him doing that, that did pull that hump out. So you won't even be able to tell, really. But get your stuff.
I'm just making where I can put the carpet back.
Oh, okay. So, I mean, that's pretty good right there. Got it pretty flat. You won't ever even be able to tell that we had a board there. We added a board. So. And then he said he's going to put some, he's going to tap in some more holes in the feet to help, and we have to put some shims to keep it from rocking because the slide does move a little bit. So he's going to try to stable that up for us a little bit more too. We've got just hubby and I. It's one thing, but you add 2 monster boys, it tends to wobble a whole lot more. So when we get ready to do that, I'll do another video.